Hello, my YouTube friends. Welcome back to my channel where we focus on providing practical tips and strategies for success and happiness in all aspects of life. Today, we're talking about how to thrive in the corporate world while finding balance in life. So, first of all, my friends, let's talk about the importance of setting boundaries. In the corporate world, it can be very easy to fall into the trap of working long hours and sacrificing your personal life. However, this is not sustainable in the long run and it can lead to burnout. To avoid this, I suggest set clear boundaries for yourself and stick to them. This may mean saying no to after hours work commitments or setting aside time for hobbies and self care. Next, prioritize self care. Yes, making time for self care, such as exercise, meditation, or simply taking a walk. This can help reduce stress and improve overall well being. When you take care of yourself, you'll have more energy and motivation to excel in your work. Another important aspect of thriving in the corporate world is building a strong support system. So, surround yourself with positive, supportive people who understand the demands of a corporate career and who can provide encouragement and support when you need it. Finally, focus on finding balance in all areas of your life, including work, relationships, health, and personal growth. Create a personal mission statement that reflects your values and priorities, and use this as a guide for making decisions and staying on track. I know thriving in the corporate world is not easy, but it is possible. By setting boundaries, prioritizing self care, building a strong support system, and finding balance in all aspects of life, you can excel in your career while maintaining your well being. This is it, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and strategies for success and happiness. Until next time, take care and happy thriving.